Hello, welcome to today's video. We are going to be unboxing Boxycharm today. Hi, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Kristen and I unbox all things subscription from men's, women's, and kids, books, food, toys, clothing, drinks, beauty, lifestyle, you name it. I unbox it, and if I haven't, I will try to do so soon. If there are any boxes that you would like me to unbox, leave them in the comment below and I will try to get to them. Currently, we are doing a 100 subscriber giveaway. Well, no, let me rephrase that. Currently, we are gearing up for a 100 subscriber giveaway. So if you are new to my channel, go ahead and click on that little subscribe button. Don't forget to click on the little bell notification. Once we get to 100 subscribers, we will be doing a giveaway for you guys. So until then, like my videos, comment on my videos, share them with your friends, and let's get to 100 subscribers. If you have never heard of Boxycharm, it is a makeup subscription service. Each box gives you 4 to 5 full-size items for the current price of $21. Next month in November, they are going to be raising their price to $25. Personally, I still think that's okay because the value of the box is still over $100, so you're still getting more in the box than what you're paying for. They are going to be giving you some options so you can, I think, kind of customize some of the boxes. They're coming out with a bigger box, and that one's going to be more expensive, but the value is also going to be higher. They have a lot of changes going on right now, and it's new, it's exciting. Let's open up this box. The last month's box was great. I have really enjoyed all the products, and if you've watched some of my past videos, I've been really playing around with that eyeshadow palette that I got, and I know there's one in this video. Somehow I seem to always get my boxes way after every other YouTuber, and they already have their videos up and I'm just now getting mine in the mail, so I'll be putting this video up almost immediately. But if you haven't seen them, or if you're curious to what came into my variety, let's open her up and find out. Here is the pamphlet. They have changed it this month, so it does like fold open. It's not like a card, but they do have like the information about the new box that they're getting. My box variation is number 2. So comment down below if you get Boxycharm and what variation you got this month. I did play around with these items a little bit. I got this box and while I was doing my makeup for church, I was like, I want to really try out these products. So I did. From Touch of Soul, we have a glassy skin balm, and the packaging is pretty. I really like the packaging. It's very, I think, holographic and very just bright and reflective and shiny. I believe that Touch of Soul is a Korean skincare brand. The value of this is $32. I love how this opens. It opens opposite of what you would think. Like, I would think it would open like this and then the cream would be here, but it opens opposite. And then it has a little lid, which I love because then the product stays in the container and doesn't get around like the screw on the outside. And then there it is. It's, ooh, oh dear. It's a very pale pink color. When I tested it out, a little bit goes a long way on my skin. But when you're rubbing it out, it feels very thin, very liquidy. And it does give a nice shine to the skin, and I thought, oh, it'll dissipate. I wear powdered foundations. Once you put the powdered foundation on, they look very matte. My skin's not going to be glossy or anything like that. You're not going to be able to see it. However, between this and another item coming up, I won't spoil it for you, I think my skin does have a fair share of shine to it. I'm not mad at it. I actually really enjoy it when it's got that glowy, dewy look to it. I'm not a matte face type of a person, so yeah, I was very impressed. It actually shone through my foundation, especially the powders. So far, I'm liking this product. And I will move on to the product I just hinted to. It is from Skincare Aroma. It's their Truffle Therapy Radiant Dew refreshing spray. You can use it as a makeup setting spray, or you can use it as a refreshing spray to refresh your makeup throughout the day. I used it this morning, and I'm not sure if it was this because it's supposed to be radiant or if it was the touch of soul, but my skin is looking really nice today. If you watched my, which box was that? My FabFitFun box. If you watched that box, I got another Skin & Co. Aroma product, and that was a Truffle Therapy line, in their Truffle Therapy line too, and that was for, it was a face toner. So now I have both a matching, or a face toner and a refreshing spray from the same company in the same line. I was pretty excited about that. The value of this product is $35. There's no way I would pay that for one product. And that is why so far I have been loving Boxycharm, because almost one item covers the cost for the whole box. Like, this more than covers the cost for the whole box. And yet I have more items to get to in here. So on its own, I would never pay this. But in this box, I'm so glad I got it. Next, by Dose of Colors, I got the Baked Browns. There were different varieties in this month's box. I did use it already this morning, and that is what is currently on my eyes. And these colors are so beautiful, so, whoop, I'm losing the brush, so fall-like colors. They're just gorgeous. My one complaint about them is when you dip your brush into the pan, it's just like powder all over the pan. It could get messy, but they're very highly pigmented. They blended out beautifully this morning. I've only used it one time, but so far it's a good palette. I've enjoyed it. I've never had Dose of Colors, and I've heard lots of good things, so I was excited to get this. The value of this item is also $32. So once again, not something that I would splurge on. If I were to get name brand products, it'd probably be at TJ Maxx, or when they're on clearance, or if I have coupons. I'm a bargain hunter, so I would never buy this full price. But I love getting it in a box like this because I paid $21, and one item alone costs more than that. Next, from Iconic London, we have a lip gloss, and it is a lip plumping lip gloss. The value of this lip gloss is $26, and yes, I do think that's ridiculous. I do not understand why it's that expensive. Like, there's no reason in my mind this should be $26 other than paying for the brand name. Is it really that amazing? I wore it this morning. It's pretty good. You know, this is in the color Nearly Nude. It's very beautiful. It's not one of those lip glosses that makes your lips stick together. The plumping aspect of it, I think, is... I don't believe in lip plumping things. I don't think they work very well, or at all. Like, have you ever had like the mint lip balms that, you know, make your lips feel cold and slightly tingly? That's what this did. There's no plumping aspect. My lips did not change. I know some of them can work a little bit, but you know what? the product's going to wear off, the side effect's going to wear off. And if you're going out, you're wearing it to work, you're wearing it on a date, it might work for the first like hour or two, but then by the end of the evening, it's going to be gone. Your lips are going to be back to normal unless you keep reapplying. So to me, lip plumpers, pointless. Was it a good lip gloss? Yeah. Would I pay that price? No. The last thing in here is from the brand, oh, I don't even know how to say this, Cella. It has a sticker on it, and the package is beating me. They are tweezers, and the cost of these tweezers are $20. So there you go. I have a really good pair of tweezers that I got from Elf. I love them, and they work great, and I don't need a million tweezers. So these I'll probably put in the future giveaway. To answer the question that you might be asking, what is the total of this box? The total comes to $145 this month. It's about $1 less than last month, but it's in the same range, so I'm okay with that. The products were great. I'm really excited about the 3 of the main products, you know, the eyeshadow palette, the setting spray, and then the skin balm. I'm really excited about those products. My skin can use as much moisture as possible. And the lip gloss, it's a good lip gloss, but is it worth it? To me, no. To you, it might be. I hope you have enjoyed this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye!